Hello moneymakers, did you know you can make faceless gadgets review channel with AI? The best part is, you don't even need a product to shoot videos. All you need is some AI tools and some knowledge on how to create such videos, and you can make more than $5,000 every month. It's better to act now on this niche as there is no competition at all. As always, I will guide you on everything for free. So, till the end of the video, you will have complete knowledge on how to create such channels. So let's get started. First of all, let's understand some ways from which you can make money on this channel. There are endless possibilities of making money on this niche. So the first way is Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. All you need to do is sign up to the program and get affiliate link of that product, then paste the link in the description and you will make money when anyone purchases a product using your link after watching your video. This way, you will start making money from day one itself. The best part of Amazon Affiliate Program is the link and cookies duration. For an example, if someone clicked on your link to view the product and purchase any other product within 24 hours, you will still earn commission. It is not mandatory that the person should purchase your recommended product only. The next way to make money is through sponsored products. Once your channel starts getting traction, you will be contacted by the brands or sellers to review their products in exchange of a certain amount. The paid collaboration can be $500 to $2,000 depending upon the size of audience and engagement on your videos. The third option is YouTube Adsense. Once your channel reaches a certain threshold, you will be invited into the YouTube Partner Program and start making money from ads. The best part is the Gadgets Review channel has the highest RPM. So you will be making more than $2 every 1,000 views just from ads. Now let's understand how to create such videos with the help of AI and start making money. Our first step is to search for the trending product. For is open Amazon.com. Then select the product which is trending and has the highest rating. For an example, I will select this product for my review video. Alright. After choosing the product, the next thing we need is a YouTube video script. If you want a unique or have a product knowledge, I would suggest to create your own written script. Or you can do the same with the help of Google Bard AI. Let's open Google Bard and ask I want to create a product review video for my YouTube channel. I will provide you the name of the product and full product description. Read the below mentioned description and write a video script without 4 to 5 paragraphs, about 300 words. Be informative and use various sentences. Make sure to write it in simple English. Write as a third-person perspective. Are you ready? Now copy all the information and paste it in a Google Docs. Make sure to copy all the information of the product, feature, many more. Also, add some of the review to make the video better. After that, copy all the information and paste it in Google Bard. There you go. Google Bard gives us a complete YouTube video script which is ready to use. If you need more prompts to write your script using AI, just like this video and comment down below, and I will reply you with amazing prompts for script writing for free. Okay. So let's create a video now. But the question is from where we can get product video and images. In this case, you might be thinking, you would need to buy that product and wait till the delivery, then you need to shoot a video with the help of a professional. Does it sound like a lot of work to you?
No.
I know it is time and cost-consuming idea, therefore I would suggest to get photos and videos from Amazon itself. Just go to the product page. You will find a lot of photos and videos posted by existing customers. Just download them and use it. Or you can also get it from the product website as well. Please be assured you will not get a copyright strike from seller or Amazon, as you are promoting Amazon and seller product too. So that is a win-win situation for everyone here. And download videos, you can use a screen recorder or dedicated video download application. Let me know in the comments if you need any help with it. Now we need to add voiceover and avatar. For this, I will use the free video editor CapCut. Just a secret to share here. I have planned more than 20 videos to share this type of amazing niche channels in the upcoming videos, so don't miss out on any one of them. Now open Google and search for the CapCut, and click on the first link, create your account, and upload all the product images and video. Then click on Elements and select one of the AI character for your video. For the voiceover, click on Character, and go back to the Google Bard, select the one paragraph and paste it here. Select the voice and click on Apply. And remember, you can add only 1,000 characters at once, so you would need to repeat the process again.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're checking out a smartwatch that's packed with features without breaking the bank.
Perfect. Our realistic AI avatar is completely ready. For the YouTube video, choose 16:9 ratio from here. Now repeat this process, add a character, copy another paragraph from the Google Bard and paste it here. This way, complete your whole video. After that, set the background for your avatar video. For this, go to the elements and search anything which you want to add. And here you will find many images and stock footage related to your content. To add the video, all you have to do is just drag the video and add it into the timeline. So here I will select this video as a background for the intro. After that, add all the images and videos which we uploaded before. Then I will set the avatar in a circle frame for the next paragraph clip so that viewers can view the background video. You can also choose the background from this available option. Perfect. After that, set all the images and video as per the voiceover. But make sure all the background video and images are below the avatar video in the timeline. Now, if you want to add any image and video between this video, all you have to do is just select the video and press Ctrl+B to split the clip. Then drag the image and add it here like this. And make sure to add animation in the image from this available option, so the image will not look boring. You can also add related stock footage and images from the elements, so use your creativity to make it realistic so that the viewers can make a decision to purchase it. Now, to give a final touch, let's add caption into this. Click on text and choose auto caption. Select style, fonts, colors, and animation as per your choice. Now the last step is to add background music. For this, open YouTube audio library, choose the music and download it, so you don't have to face any copyright issues in the future. Import the music track into CapCut, set the volume, and that is, your video is ready to be uploaded. Click on export and download it on your computer. So, this is how you can create any product review video with the help of AI. If this video helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Now let's have a look to our demo video.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're checking out a smartwatch that's packed with features without breaking the bank, the P660. Whether you're a juggling professional, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone who wants to stay connected on the go, this watch might be your perfect match. Let's dive in and see what it can do. First things first. The P660 boasts a sleek and stylish design with a large 1.85-inch touchscreen display. It's comfortable to wear and comes with a variety of watch faces to match your personal style. But this watch is more than just looks. It's also seriously functional. Calling and messaging on the go, no problem. The P660 lets you answer calls and read messages directly from your wrist thanks to its built-in speaker and microphone.